Hi, this video will show you how to set up your VIP tiers. Before you begin, go to the Echo Marketing app and click the loyalty program in the left menu, and then click VIP. In the VIP section, click Activate. Here you will find the option to set an expiration period for your customers to achieve a VIP tier. You have two options, custom year or lifetime. Selecting custom year lets you define how long customers have to reach a VIP tier. Be sure to remember that once you set the expiration period, you won't be able to change it. Make sure to choose it carefully. In the next step, you can go to the entry method section and click edit to define how customers can unlock their VIP tiers. You have four options. First, amount spent only. Second, points earned only. Third, amount spent plus order count. Fourth, points earned plus order count. To make it easier for your members to maintain, renew, or extend their VIP status, you can set an extension goal. So here, you can choose whether customers need to meet a separate, lower threshold to extend their membership. Once you have made your selection, click Update to save your changes. Remember, after setting extension goals, make sure to set corresponding entry goals for each VIP tier as well. In this step, we will learn more about tier validation. Tier validation means checking if a customer is ready to move into the next VIP level. If you set the rule based on how much they spend and how many orders they place in the previous tier entry requirements, then it means that the customers need to reach both goals to move up to the next VIP level. So what happens when they meet the goals? Let's say that your tier entry requirement rule is spend $200 and place 5 orders. Once a customer does both, they are ready to go up to the next VIP level. So when do customers move up? You have two choices. First, immediately. As soon as they hit both goals, they will go up to the next level. Second, after a short wait. You can make your customers wait for X days. This delay can help if you want to double check things like returns or payments.